Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the coolest Excel software out there. As usual, we try to integrate some type of functionality that's not native to Excel into Excel using a combination with some other tools like Google Maps API or some other type of logistic software. So today I want to go over this is a tool that I've built for a while, but we've kind of had different variations of this, which is our retail store finder software. So the purpose of this tool is to be able to match a customer, or better, a list of customers with a list of stores that we have based on location and proximity. So let me kind of show you how this works. Again, as all of our tools, it's built 100% in Excel. There is nothing to install. You don't need to install anything. All you need is Excel, obviously the tool. You also need our Google Maps API key. I've got another video on how to get that, and you should be able to see that video in the description. But again, kind of going back, what the task we're trying to solve today, the problem we're trying to solve, the task we're trying to accomplish is matching customers to stores based on location. Let me kind of give you an example. We have a list of stores, not many in this case, but we have stores A, B, C, D, and somehow we have a store M in different cities. We could possibly change this to full addresses rather than cities. In this case, we just have cities. But again, the tool allows for using zip codes or full addresses or city zip code combinations, like in this example. So this is where we would maintain the list of those stores. In my case, I've got about 6 stores, but we can have as many as needed, up to 600, 700, 800 stores. And then we would have a list of customers. In this case, we have a customer name and a customer address. And again, what we're trying to achieve is matching each customer with the closest store location based on this. To accomplish this is as easy as this. We just click on the calculate button and the tool will do the rest. So in this case, which kind of makes sense, the closest store to customer 1, which happens to live in Elizabeth City, is store A, which is also located in Elizabeth City. It's about 3.6 driving miles or 2.8 straight line miles from the customer. It would take about 8 minutes to drive there. Again, we're using Google Maps API to do this. And same thing with the rest of these customers. Customer 2, the store that would match would be the closest store location to that would be store B, which is in Chesterfield, and so forth. The beauty of this tool is that you can do these matchings with the click of a button. And also, it's a great place where you can maintain your list of stores. You can upgrade and demote some of the stores, add, remove. So this serves almost like a table, like a database, and then you can enter your list of customers. The customer name is not necessary, but the customer address obviously is, because that's how we would determine the location and which store would be the closest. And really should be as simple as that. Thank you very much for watching. If you need any alterations or change to this, or customization to this tool or any other tools, feel free to take a look at the list of tools to my website. The website is ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. My phone number and my email will be in the description of this video. Feel free to reach out, even to say hi. Thank you very much for watching again, and until next time.